Dzień dobry, cześć, hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is the Dpoorboy Adventurepl again from Poland. This time really I'm here in Poznan, Poland, having my weekend. Shout out to my family, of course, my wife, my daughters, Bea, Bitea, and Brigitte, my wife Emily, my brother, JR, Asel. Shout out Assorted Talks TV. Ayan, pakisubscribe nyo yung aking kapatid na nag-umpisa. Asel, Apple, and my cousins, relatives, friends, and supporters. Thank you, shout out sa inyo lahat. I hope that you are all in good and safe place wherever you are right now watching me. Just to please you, my real life again, and what's inside of my truck, my bed. Just woke up actually. wala pa kilamos. So yesterday I went to my friend's house accommodation. So because I didn't have trip to Netherlands for washing, so I went to my friend's accommodation and wash my clothes. So just a glimpse of what's inside my truck by this side. So this is it. Overnight heater and my clothes laundry already dried. I changed bed sheets, everything, and here is my socks and underwear. over here pa. So ayan po, this is what I have here. Just woke up, so clean my bed sheet and everything. I already have my hot water here. I don't have rice, but I have pasta. So we'll see what's is the very cold. I checked the temperature's -1. That's my view outside. Good morning. So that's it. That's only I can show you. I can flex you and also update of my channel. Again, thank you so much for your support, for your continued support, and my apology. Very rare na tayo mag-upload kasi nagiging busy. Meron kaming inopen na online business ni Mrs. Tok franchise. You can check out of my post, some of my posts, and show my king sa mga nasa Pilipinas, kahit pa nasa abroad o lalo na sa Middle East. Pwede po kayo mag-inquire to franchise Tok Food, Tok Riders, and show my king and organic JC barley products. So ayan, sa mga gusto, sa mga kababayan ko na magkaroon kayo ng extra income, kumbaga wag natin sayangin ang panahon at opportunity at ang ating sipag araw-araw. May kanya-kanya tayong trabaho everyday, yun dahil sa sipag natin, and minsan nag-overtime tayo. Sometimes we do overtime, but it's only thank you. So kung ang sipag, talino at tiyaga natin is ating gamitin sa ating maganda at malinis na mapagkakitaan, online business or whatever business do you have, na gamitan mo ng talino at galing mo, ay talagang may potential. Kasi pag hanggang employee ka lang, talagang doon lang yung babayar, doon lang yung kikitain mo. So kailangan talaga natin ng extra income na ngayon, at yun, extra sipag. Kaya ako, kahit na nagmamaneho, umaten ako ng mga online trainings para maraming matutunan. Everyday we're learning in our life. So sa mga gusto na mag-inquire about Tok franchise, Show My King franchise, pwede kayong mag-PM sa akin at ipo-forward, i-relay ko kayo sa misis ko, kasi siya talaga yung may ano nito. Dahil ako, alam nyo na, moving ang aking biyahe palagi. So thank you so much guys, and blessed weekend sa inyong lahat. God bless. Bye bye. Bye.